Mississippi officials confirming this morning Interstates 22 and 55 are now back open following major traffic delays created by snow and ice from the winter storm. MDOT crews spent the last few days clearing the snow after reports of drivers being stranded on the roadways for hours. Now some are criticizing the Department of Transportation for their handling of the situation. Joining us now to share her opinion on the matter, plus more on the cleanup efforts in her district, is Mississippi Senator Teresa Isom. Senator, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Hello, and thank you for having me.
My pleasure. Bring us up to date. I know you've been on the roadways a lot over the past few days. What have you personally experienced?
Oh, on Monday, when I had to go to Jackson, it took me 30 minutes just to get to, like, Senatobia, which would normally have taken me, well, it took me 32 hours when it normally would have taken me 30 minutes. And then to get to Jackson, I had to drive 7 hours to get to Jackson. And my travel was like 7 miles an hour. I could only go 7 to 17 miles an hour. When I went past 17, my car would spin out. And I have an all-terrain vehicle.
Senator, that says a lot for sure.
Difficult.
What are you also hearing, from your constituents about this situation on the roadways all week long?
Well, it was real difficult. And right now, I did get an opportunity to talk with the Commissioner of Transportation about the situation and why was the street so, bad. And was it because of equipment or anything like that? And he expressed to me that it was not necessarily equipment, it was because of the weather. That we had ice on top of the snow, on top of rain that froze again. And he was saying that in doing that, they had already put down the salt and the other chemicals, but that did not help them because they could not break the ice up with the equipment that they had. So they had to stop and just stop traffic because they said there was no way that they could continue to let the trucks be on the highway, and that backed up everything, but that was the only way they were able to get the traffic moving again.
So, Senator, what's your take? Do you buy what he had to say to you? Because, again, a lot of people have been very critical, saying maybe MDOT could have been better prepared. What's your gut feeling telling you?
Well, from having to be in it myself, I wish that they had an opportunity to do something prior to, Monday. But like he said, when it froze back over, then it wasn't anything that they could do with it. And I asked, was it a lack of equipment, or did they not have the type of equipment that they needed? And his reply was that we don't normally get this kind of weather that frequent, and that's why they did not have other type of equipment that would have broke the ice up.
And Senator, do you think there's a need from a legislative standpoint when you folks reconvene in Jackson? Is there a need maybe for additional funding for MDOT to make sure situations like the one that we've seen this week don't happen again?
Well, the commission did not feel that was a need. He felt like they had the equipment that they needed to cover what we normally have. And I asked them about how much probably would something to keep the roads clear cost, and he said over $1 million. That would be a large expense.
That is a lot of money there.
Not something that is needed, on a routine basis.
And one last thing, Senator, what do you want to say to motorists out there, especially in your district? Is there still a need even for today for them to stay at home if at all possible?
The side streets are still bad, and they need to drive with a lot of caution and not speed. I still see people speeding on the highway, even though they've cleared the highways, but you never know where there may be some ice still. So just drive with caution.
All right, Senator Isom, thank you very much for taking the time to join us. I know you're busy. You've been on the roads this week as well, so be safe.
Thank you so much.
All right, nice talking with you.